right?
I don't know, man. I'm all twisted up inside.
Could have been a gorp. Just go take a dump.
I'll just wait. I'll wait there later.
Wait. We're 50 miles from the nearest outpost. Where are you gonna go? Just go back over there and crap in the woods like everybody else.
I've never taken a shit in the woods before.
You're kidding me.
Never.
Are you scared?
No, I'm just gonna hold it, okay?
You just go till when? I mean, we have 4 days of hiking and like 6 more meals. So when are you gonna when?
Timberline. 50 miles, 4 days.
I'm not getting in the tent with you unless you're out here. Just go pinch one off. I don't see what the problem is.
I have the tightest cheeks in America.
Nobody should hold it for a week unless you're in county jail or 4-H club.
Listen, I just don't feel comfortable taking a shit in the woods.
It's not. It's natural. This is how it happened for millions of years. Just go do it. Just find yourself a rock or a stump and just kind of squat and go. You'll love it.
No, I'm gonna hold it. No, dude, I gotta shit right now.
Well, go. I got toilet paper in the pack. What's the big deal? Come on.
I gotta poop.
Go.
I gotta poop bad. Hold my line. I gotta poop. Oh, Jesus, I gotta poop. Oh!
No, hey, no, what are you doing?
What?
Not so close to the lake. Go find a private spot over here somewhere else. Not here.
Jesus Christ. Damn it! Oh, damn!
Feel better?
Look. Sorry, man. It's my first shit in the woods.
And it's gonna be your last. Kill him, Vince.